Hello everybody, I'm on samsclub.com/content/credit because I want to talk about Sam's Club credit card, and there are different memberships I think here. And now as you see on the page, and there are many benefits for members of Sam's Club. For example, you can get a $30 statement credit when you open a new account, and you can make $30 in Sam's Club purchases within 30 days. But firstly, you need to apply for this card, and for these steps you need to click apply now, as you see on the right type of the website here. Yes, I will click apply now button to show you the application page. Yes, you need to type your membership number, your first name and last name, and after this you can sign in your dashboard, I think. And I'm gonna get back. Sorry for slow internet. I want to talk about yes. After this, sorry again. I want to take again some credit card login, and no. Sorry again. Yes. Yes, if you have already a card, you can manage your credit card account. You can manage your dashboard on this on this page again. For this, you can click sign in button on the right top of the page, and after this, you need to type your information, membership information. And as you see, you can get 5% back on gas, and there are many benefits here. For example, you can 5% back in Sam's Cash on gas anywhere Mastercard is accepted, and you can earn 3% back in Sam's Cash, and there are also other benefits here. So as you see, Sam's Club Mastercard has more benefits than Sam's Club credit card. So it's your choice. If you want to get these benefits, you can have Sam's Club Mastercard. Thank you for watching my videos. Please share and like the videos for more my videos. Thanks for watching again.